Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add Snapchat filter to existing photo. So let's get started. So if you want to add Snapchat filter to your existing photo, then what you can do is just simply open up your Snapchat application. After opening up your Snapchat application, now what you can do is just simply tap on this memory option which is on the bottom of your screen. So in the bottom left side of your screen you can find this option. So what you have to do is just simply tap on that option. And after tapping on that option, now what you can do is just simply tap on camera roll, which is on the top of your screen. And after tapping on camera roll, now you can select a picture that you would like to add. So after selecting a photo, now what you have to do to add a filter to that is to just tap on this add a lens option, which is on the bottom of your screen. So just tap on add a lens, and after tapping on add a lens, now you can add a filter. So you can select any filter that you like, and after selecting a filter, now what you can do is just simply tap on that filter, and after tapping on that filter just tap on allow. And now what you can do is just simply tap on send to, and now from here you can successfully send this image by adding a Snapchat filter on it. So that's it guys, this is how to add Snapchat filter to existing photos. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.